Peace, what it is. Okay, today is January the 2nd. The sun is 12 degrees Capricorn and 35 minute mark. The moon's 26 degrees Leo at the current moment. And ain't no telling where it be by the time you may see this. If you watch, even if you even watch it today, Mercury 20 degrees Capricorn, Venus 22 degrees Sag, Mars 28 degrees Aries, Jupiter 3 degrees now. Aquarius was 2 yesterday. I didn't think it would move that much. Let me see if it switched Duads today. Let's see. Oh yeah, Jupiter 3 4. Oh no, it didn't because it switched Duads a few days. Okay, I see. So it's still in the Pisces subsign. Jupiter is. We'll get back. I'm gonna go back. I just want to see if it switched. I didn't know if it was already in the Pisces yesterday or not. Saturn still 1 degree. Aquarius gonna be there a while. Uranus 6 degrees Taurus. Neptune 18 degrees Pisces. Pluto 24 degrees Capricorn. It's gonna be there a while. We already know those don't move as fast. Check it out. 24 degrees. 18 degrees for Neptune. Don't move that much. Excuse me. And that's why I focus more so on the sun and the moon in these videos. Now, the sun went to 12. It went over the halfway mark of the 12 degrees. So that means it switched duad. So it went from the Taurus to the Gemini duad today. Sometime this morning, I imagine. It didn't look exactly, but it was sometime this morning. So what that means is just a general a subtle shift in the energies, subtle shift the way you approach your Capricorn thought process, if you will. You see, the sun is in Capricorn, so that's the energy permeating anyway, right? But through its cycle through Capricorn, as it cycled through all signs, it goes through the duad. So it's just like you can look at it like you're in the house of Capricorn and you're turning in a circle. So you're viewing it through 12 different windows. You're viewing the outside world from within the house of Capricorn, okay, from 12 different perspectives, and those would be the duads. So yesterday was Taurus, and the first of the year is in Taurus, as I said, focus on materialisms. And then today, or as it switches, it'd be in Gemini, and you focusing on how to get your materialisms, right? Your Gemini, what am I going to do? What's the plan? What plans am I going to put forth to start, making my moves, doing my thing? Sun in Capricorn, striving to be better, to be greater, to leave legacies, things of that nature. Just like I say, subtle shift of the energy. Once we do these videos, once I do enough of these, you'll notice it in your everyday life. You'll notice it with, if you pay attention to me that much, you'll notice it with just how I am. You may even notice, as right now, I'm a bit more fiery than I was yesterday, simply because, and I ain't gonna say simply because, but it could be tied to the fact that the sun switched duads. I am a Gemini, so that air energy is natural for me. As a matter of fact, this particular placement is kind of special for me specifically because as a 19-degree Gemini, which is somewhat significant right now because the North Node is 19 degrees Gemini, right? 19 degrees Gemini is where my sun is, right? That is the Capricorn duad of Gemini, right? So now I'm in the Gemini duad of Capricorn. So this particular aspect is somewhat comfortable for me, if you will. We'll see. Now, I got 2-3 days of this. We'll see what I do. I got a couple ideas. Plus, I was reading a new book today, which was nice. So we'll see. Anyway, let me keep going. Now, the moon is, as I said, 26 degrees Leo, which is significant for me because that's sextile my ascendant, right? Now, once again, I tell you, I teach this stuff. I share this information. We are trying to demystify astrology here. My goal is to get everybody on this level. Everybody watching the moon, because that's what time it is. Type of thing. You understand? Try not to cuss as much on these videos as well. Anyway, so the moon, as of right now, as I say, 26 degrees Leo. She is 25 degrees. This is at 12 o'clock in the day. This is at 12 o'clock in the the night when the day first starts officially, and this is 12 o'clock in the afternoon. So 25 degrees at 12, right? It is around 1 o'clock, 26 degrees. All right, I'm just showing you the correlation so you can understand how you can use this. You don't necessarily need this. Okay, I just had this on her so you can have two different ways of looking at it. You see, now 25 degree. Now check that out. Look at that. It's the Gemini subsign. Yeah, so here we go. The sun is in the Gemini subsign of Capricorn. The moon is in the Gemini subsign of Leo, right? And you may can tell, you may can't. I'm kind of feeling myself right now. Right? I'm just kind of in a little small groove here, right? And it's just the matching of the energies. Now the moon, now see, I can go look up moon and Leo for you, or I can try to explain moon and Leo for you. But that's not the point here. Okay, the point is for you to take this information and do what you need to do with it. All right, understand what the moon and Leo. Understand it's switching today. Yeah, what time will it switch? It's gonna switch later on. Obviously I don't have the time on it, but by the end of the day, the moon's gonna be in Virgo. So you'll need to know if Virgo is heavy in your chart. If you have planets in there, you have a certain you obviously have a certain house in there. But if you have maybe your first house, your fourth house, 10th house, or something in Virgo, the moon's about to hit Virgo. You will want to see. You understand what I mean? What that is in your chart. How is it going to affect you? As I said, the moon is right now sextile my ascendant. The moon is in Leo. Leo is in my 11th house. So here I am sharing my knowledge, my information with the people. Right? All right. So peace and love, and I will talk to you all tomorrow.